tell me that he's trying to hack the motherboard. We'll get him every time. Perfect world, freaky places that we've seen. We got the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Running in the cyber chase, unique and face to face. We'll stick together all the time. Adventures in cyberspace. The chase is on. It's great. NCYBERJ.
Today's episode is Jalen Whitager says yes tornado/grounded.
Yes, tornado. No tornado, because deleted tornado. That's it. You're grounded for Cheese 2 Animation Group reaches over 100,000 subscribers. Go to your room right now. Washington.